Howdy! Michael, the Mercedes guy here. And when you're installing an engine and transmission as one assembly, lots of times as you're putting it in the car, the pinch weld where the floor pan meets the firewall will break this transmission vent, which is plastic. So what I do is, before the installation, I take off this vent. There we go. And as you can see, it has a lip that goes over this lip. Then I put a piece of tape over this. I clean the area first so it adheres and put a piece of tape over it. Then do the installation. Once the engine is in the car and I bolted the front engine mounts, I will put this on by reaching up from below or from above. Then I put a block of wood right here with maybe an extra spacer jammed in to the floor pan. Then I use the hydraulic jack to jack up the back of the transmission, which forces this vent snap. You gotta snap over those lips, and now the vent is back on. Otherwise, you run the risk when installing of that pinch weld busting this thing. So that's how you can do it without breaking